Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make 4 basic pizza sauces that you can use to start your pizza journey. I'm going to be showing you how to make a pesto sauce, a white sauce, a New York style red sauce, and then an Italian style Neapolitan tomato sauce. These are sure to impress your guests. You're going to love it. Let's get to it. First thing we're gonna do, we're gonna grab a pot. We're gonna take a 28-ounce can of San Marzano tomatoes. We're gonna add that can to our pot. We're gonna throw in 2 cloves of garlic and about 14 basil leaves, a tablespoon of sugar, a pinch of dried oregano, a pinch of salt, a pinch of pepper. We're gonna take an immersion blender, blend that all up until we have a fine puree. If you don't have an immersion blender, just put it in a regular blender or just chop it up, use a food processor, whatever you need to do to just get a thin puree consistency. Once you've got that, take your pot, put it on your stovetop or even on a Blackstone griddle, throw in a quarter of a yellow onion, set that on there and just let it simmer for about an hour. Once we're done simmering it, we're just gonna remove that onion, throw in a tablespoon of butter, stir it up, and then we're ready to use it. I'm sure most of you guys have had pesto before, but I'm gonna show you how to make it from scratch. First up, we're gonna take a medium bowl, and then we're gonna add our basil leaves, our olive oil, a couple cloves of garlic, some pine nuts, some shredded Parmesan, juice from a lemon, salt, pepper, and then a pinch of chili flake if you'd like. Blend that up for about 1.5 minutes, 2 minutes until it's completely smooth. Make sure you taste that and adjust if necessary with salt and pepper, and you're ready to use this. We're just gonna take a 28-ounce can of San Marzano tomatoes. We're gonna add 2 cloves of garlic, a pinch of salt, a little bit of oregano, a pinch of chili flakes, and then a couple glugs of olive oil. And then we'll just blend it up until it's completely smooth. This is super quick. You can get this done in about 2 minutes. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take a small sauce pot. We're gonna add 2 tablespoons of butter, 3 cloves of minced garlic. We're just gonna saute that up for about 2 minutes until that garlic is really, really fragrant. And then we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of flour. We're gonna make a roux. That roux is gonna thicken up our sauce. So once the flour is completely mixed in with the butter, we're gonna add about 1.5 cups of whole milk. And then we're just gonna stir that on medium heat until it starts to thicken up. Once that's thickened up, we're gonna add about 1/4 cup of freshly grated Parmesan cheese. We're gonna season it to taste with salt and pepper, stir it up until that Parmesan's melted. And there you have it, we have a white sauce. This sauce is delicious with chicken, so you can do your chicken bacon ranch pizza, your chicken Alfredo pizza, but today we're just gonna be using it for just a basic cheese pizza. All right, now that we have our sauces made, I'm gonna show you how to make 4 different pizzas incorporating each one. For the pesto, we're gonna be doing a light and delicious pesto, mushroom, and Parmesan pizza. For the white sauce, like I said earlier, we're just gonna be doing a cheese pizza. For the New York style sauce, we're just gonna do a classic pepperoni pizza. For the Neapolitan style, we're gonna do a classic margarita pizza. There you have it, 4 different kinds of pizza sauces that you can use to broaden your pizza horizons. If you have any questions about these sauces or the pizzas that I made, leave them down below in the comments. All of these recipes for the sauces will be posted on blackstoneproducts.com. Be sure to check us out on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and right here on YouTube. Stay tuned for more pizza content in the future, and have a great day.